how to set up call ads in Meta Ad Manager. And that's what I want to explain to you in this video. Many people think that the only thing that you can do with Facebook ad is just for you to get messages from potential clients. But do you know that there's a way you can actually set up ad whereby you're going to generate people that will call your business to actually buy from you or to make inquiry from you. So as a business owner, especially physical business owners, instead of just waiting around for people to come to your store, you can actually run ads that will generate people that will call your business and do business with you. So that is what I want to show you step by step in this video. For those of you that don't know me, I am Philip Digitals and I am your number one ad guy. So let us just dive into it. So in today's tutorial, we are going to be using this business as an example. Now, this business they reach out to me is a cleaning agency. They want to run ads that people will call them to actually people will call them and take their services. So that's what they want for the advert, and that's what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. So let's dive into it. So you go to your ads manager, then you click on create, then you click on leads. Remember, we want to generate leads. We want to generate people that will call us to do business with us. So click on continue. So we're going to, the name of the business is Spotless Ads. So, and the money you want to spend it per day, want to spend 10,000 naira per day. So click on next. So I'll change this also to their name. Then for the conversion location, we are going to be choosing single, and what we want here is want choose call because that's what we want. Want choose call. So we are choosing call. Then for the business page, this is the page we are using. Then we scroll down. We want the ad to start by 2 o'clock. So I'll I'll leave that there. Then for the location, since it's the physical business, we are going to be choosing the exact location. So they are in Elisha Osun. Yes, they are in Elisha Osun. So want to generate leads of people that is Elisha that need cleaning agency. You get, so you ensure that you choose the location where that business is located, right? So that is that for that, and for the age, the minimum age we are going to be using, since what we offer is clean services for schools, for houses, then minimum age to 25. Language, now we don't have language barrier, you know, either they can speak English or they can speak Yoruba. We're going to just leave it. But if you need a specific language, you can just put it here. In our case, we can put English language, right? So then for the detail targeting, I want to reduce this age to 60. Then the gender, we are using all gender. Then for detail targeting, we can just put um, married or um, house owners, home owners. Let's see. Okay, home owners association. So you can put this, and you can also put home repair, or look at this one now, new place and innovation. These are interests that suit us. I don't like to choose a lot of detail targeting. I can also choose home improvement since that's what we do. So these three um, these three interests is actually okay for this business. So the next thing I want to do is the placement. I also want to edit the placement. I don't want for the devices. I only want all mobile device. You can let's just use all mobile devices. Then for the platform, Facebook and Instagram, that's okay. So next, so I'll change the name also. Spotlight. Okay. Then scroll down. So the destination. Do you want people to do you want them to call you on WhatsApp or do you want them to call normal phone? Now I'm going to advise call on WhatsApp because anybody that has Facebook should have WhatsApp. And since WhatsApp call is cheaper, so some people they may not have credit. So that might affect your um, conversion. So you can just choose call on WhatsApp. Call on WhatsApp. But one thing about call on WhatsApp is that if you choose call phone number, now things going to ask for your number, so you put your number here, number of your business. Now look at this, enable callback request. What this means is that if they call you and peradventure they don't have a card or maybe your number did not go through, they can actually request that you call them back. They can request that you call them back. So if you choose enable callback request, so you are telling Facebook that you want your customer to be able to drop their phone number so that you can call them back. You get. So we have receive callback request in a spreadsheet or receive callback request on Messenger. Now, I prefer receive callback on spreadsheet. That means that their name and their phone number is going to be showing on a Excel spreadsheet, right? So you can always call your customer back. So this is very interesting feature from Facebook, right? So they are asking us to accept um, this. I think I've accepted it before. Accepted. Okay. So then they ask for privacy policy. Now look at this. It says because you will be collecting customer information, you have the option to include a link to your company privacy policy. Your link will appear with Facebook default privacy disclaimer. Now you might not have this, but I advise that you can just put your WhatsApp link and put it there. Once you put it there, just save, right? So the next thing that you need to do, we don't need this, is to set up your creative, either your image or your video. In this case, we are using image. I'm going to be uploading the image from here. This image here. So another thing that you can do is you can always use AI to generate your captions. Just upload. Let's see this. Upload the flyer. Oh, I can't upload again. So just upload the flyer and ask ChatGPT to give you a good to give you a good, what is it called, a good copy, right? So since I'm using free version, I'm unable to upload the flyer now, but you can upload it. So let's just go back to what we are doing. So yeah, I'll just use a spotless. Okay, let's let's give you a spotless. Let's give your home. Let's give your property. Or I can just best best cleaning agency in Elisha. Yeah, in Elisha. So then for the primary text is the caption. Now I don't have it yet, but let's just do something. Let's at Spotlet Cleaning Agency. We give the best cleaning services. So this is just an example, right? I'm going to set it up properly later on. But let's just use this, then click on done. So if you look at the preview, you can see the preview now. So this is how the um, ad is going to be showing on Facebook. You can see that best cleaning agency in Elisha, so they can call. So when they click on this, they are going to they are going to be able to call my number automatically. So whenever you're on this kind of ad, ensure that your phone is on, your network is good, so that you don't be um, wasting lead. And that's why this is very important. This option that we chose, receive callback request. So that means that they can drop their. I wanted to show you um, how this work. They can drop their what's it called, their phone number, so that you can call them in case network misbehave, right? Okay, so I want to show you how this thing work. This callback request, how it's going to work. So let us click on learn more. You click on learn more. So if I let me play this video, just watch this video so that you can understand. So this is an ad, the example ad. So when they click on call now, they call you, but they can go back and request, you can see call back time, preferred time. So they will put the time, the date they want you to call them as a business owner. So they put their phone number, their name, you get. So you are going to get it in a spreadsheet. So you get their name, you get their number, and the time and the date they want you to call them. So you have that in a spreadsheet, and your closers or your customer service agent can always call them, and you because customer even love that. They want to know who they are interacting with, they want to know who they are doing business with. So they get on a call with you and you tell them about your service and you close the deal. You get. So that's how the callback request is. So it's very important. Always choose the callback request. But the callback request is not available when you use WhatsApp call. So if it's just WhatsApp call, there's no callback request, because if they call your WhatsApp, automatically their phone number is going to be appearing on your WhatsApp, so you can always call them back. So you can choose this, because sometimes customers don't have credit, right? But they have data. You can choose this. But if you are choosing um, call phone number, you have an option of callback request. So this is just how to set up a very simple ad that is going to allow you to generate lead of people that will call your business and actually do business with you. And it's very cheap, it's not expensive, and it's going to give you a very great result. This kind of advert is good for a physical business, for restaurants, for um, cleaning agency, for laundry, you know, any business that has a physical um, service or that physical location. You can actually use this kind of ads. I believe you have learned something. So once you have done, we are just going to publish it. So and you wait for Facebook to approve it. Once Facebook approve it, expect your phone number to start ringing and start closing sales and start making money for yourself. So if you have learned something in this video, ensure that you subscribe to this channel, you like and you also share to people that will be interested in more content like this.